Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to plug your G-Vision HC-550 MG into USB. So as you guys see, I already have the device on the table and I have the cable as well. It comes with the packaging, so I'll just unbox it right now. And as you see, all you need to do is just pull this thing down, and there on the bottom, as you will see, wait, let me just get off the antenna. And as you see at the bottom, there is, you need to open this, and there's an USB, as you see. So I'll just plug it in, and then once I will plug it right now, I'll just put it like this and just go there. It should be upside down, so I will try to. And as you see, it's already on the USB cable. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.